नमस्कार, मैं प्रतीक। आप देख रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल ट्रेंड्स। दोस्तों, रांची के सबसे खूबसूरत और 5 स्टार होटल रेडिशन ब्लू में 1 मार्च से 12 मार्च तक डोसा उत्सव मनाया जा रहा है। इस डोसा उत्सव की खास बात यह है कि यहाँ रेडिशन ब्लू अपने ग्राहकों के सामने 18 वैरायटी के डोसा जो है वो दिखाने जा रही है। इससे पहले भी रेडिशन ब्लू में झारखंड फूड फेस्ट और पख्तूनी फूड फेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया जा चुका है, जो कि काफ़ी सफल रहा था। इस खास मौके पर आज उपस्थित थे केरली स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल मिस्टर जेकब सर पहुंची केरला के रहने वाले हैं। उन्होंने डोसा के बारे में बहुत सी अच्छी बातें बताई और उन्होंने अपने बचपन के किस्से भी साझा किए। आइए देखते हैं वहाँ की कुछ खास झलकियाँ।
The Dosa festival that we are starting, the Dosa Utsav, that we will be preparing 18 varieties of dosas. Few are conventional, few are unique, and I'm sure that people will like this. So I would like to put the chef to speak and request Mr. Jacob to say a few words first.
And distinguished guests, when we talk about dosa, I was born and brought up in Kochi. The typical something upon how skillful is there. Because here also there are so many outlets are there. Of course, definitely this particular place in an artificial way it has been made. It is very appealing and very good. Ambience is very nice. I say the Radisson Blu is good for his ambience and other things. Especially this particular corner. It was not there. When I came here, it was not there. Now it has been created. Definitely, I feel that the people will come and have your dosa. Definitely, I would like to take my wife also one day and have dosa from this place. I wish all the best for the team, especially the main chef and your team for this particular initiative. Keep it up. Well done. Thank you.
12th March. So we'll here introduce 18 varieties of Thai dosa. Few of fusion dosa, few of traditional dosa. So first I'll go with traditional dosa. Traditional dosa I'll keep paper dosa, Pesarittu dosa, Arai dosa. They are all other traditional. Appeal dosa, knead dosa. Basically, we view places we get this knead dosa. The knead dosa is very typical South Indian flavor. You get the knead dosa with stew. We'll keep the veg and non-veg both of the stew. Those are vegetarian, they go for the veg. Those are non, they go for the chicken. And fusion I keep spring dosa. Basically, you'll get the north side. Like if you go to the Mumbai street food, you get the spring dosa. It's fusion dosa. Okay, it's nothing else. Inside we'll keep just veal, kind of veal with the stuffing inside dosa and roll it and let's take the small bite pieces. This is the spring dosa we'll make it. So 18 veg and non-veg veal, non-veg also will keep anda dosa, chicken tikka dosa and mutton keema dosa. Price are very reasonable, $2.99 plus taxes, and non-veg mutton $3.99 and chicken tikka $2.49.
Please repeat the date.
1st March to 12th March.
Price.
Non-veg will keep $3.99. The mutton one, chicken one will keep $3.49. And other rest of $2.99. So I hope everybody is come and enjoying the dosa festival. I hope everybody like it.
Yes, sir. Sir, to one that it's a very common availability in everywhere.
Right, sir.
Why one person should come to the Reddy side?
Traditionally, you get the authentic things first of all. you get the pure authentic South Indian flavor, and what is the specialty neer dosa. Generally, very few places need one. This is the neer dosa. It's only rice, flour, and water fermentation. Nothing else. It's something different. All dosa is different color, but neer one is white color. It's not